Well, what's interesting is the Real Estate 2020 research that's taken place is really a follow-on to two previous research projects that CoreNet and their predecessor IDRC were involved with. So we did a Real Estate 2000, a Real Estate 2010, and now Real Estate 2020. And the challenge for the organization is to continue to get our members ready for those changes that will take place as we get towards 2020, and really how they can implement change within their own company to best handle where we end up in 2020. Well, first I have to give you the caveat that I haven't seen all the final reports yet. The teams literally were presenting their findings here over the last day with their draft results. So those reports are still being put together. But I think that it's very clear that if we go into each of the areas in the outsourcing arena, that the format of the structures between the end user companies and our outsourced providers continues to take on more and more value, that those outsourced providers are more important to the end results of the companies. I think that from a mobility perspective, we're going to continue to see more and more change. I mentioned already the teaming with other parts of the organizations will continue to be more and more important. And I think when we talk about how the workplace is put together to handle this change with the technology and everything, we're going to continue to see that evolve, of the workplace being more flexible and more able to respond to the needs of the business that week or that day. And that may be very different than what they need the next month.